Hello! In this video I will show you how to install Microsoft Edge browser on Huawei Nova 13i. So you have to start by opening your app gallery, then click on search bar and type in Edge. Now click search and then click install. Then click open. And here you can set this browser as your default browser, or you can click not now, and here you have to confirm your data and privacy settings. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.